Hello students. Okay, welcome back in our second chapter, that is acid, base and salt. We have studied the different reactions of acid base, it testing with indicator. Now practically we will perform it reaction with metal as well as acid, base and different component. Good. Sodium hydroxide, base HCl acid. So this reaction with metal we will discuss now. So activity 2.3, reaction of metal with acid and base. First, reaction of metal with acid. So in short, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. Metal when react with acid, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. Zinc metal, if it is added in HCl, it gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas is provided. Similarly, it react with H2SO4, it gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Zinc when react with nitric acid HNO3, it gives zinc nitrate plus hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas when produced, when flame, mastic flame is kept near to it, it gives pop-up sound, a bubbling sound. This shows the presence of hydrogen gas. Second, reaction with base. Metal react with base, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. Zinc when reacted with NaOH, it gives sodium zincate, Na2ZNO2 plus hydrogen. Similarly, when react with potassium hydroxide, KOH, it gives potassium zincate plus hydrogen. So in this way, hydrogen gas is produced. This can be detected. Now we will check how gas can be detected. So mix it near to it and put it near the bubbling of hydrogen. It gives pop-up sound. This shows the presence of hydrogen gas. That we will check. Okay. For detection of hydrogen gas, I take acid in the beaker. Okay. Then I have adding this zinc granules. Okay, zinc metal. You can see zinc I am adding into this acid. So you can see bubbling will start. Okay, bubblings from the metal will starts appear. You can see that is nothing but it is hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas evolved through it. We can check with the help of mastic. If mastic is kept near to it, then it gives pop-up sound. Again, I am adding more amount of acid. And I will check that sound is coming or not. Okay, you can see pop-up sound is coming. Again we check it with the mastic. Okay, cracking like sound is produced. This shows the presence of hydrogen gas. So this hydrogen gas is bubbled out. Similar experiment you can perform with the help of base also. Suppose I have taken base instead of acid. I am taking base. In that base, again I am adding zinc granules. So you can see bubbling will take place. That bubbling you check it with the help of mastic. You can see cracking sound is produced. This shows the production of hydrogen gas. So metal when react with acid or metal when react with base, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. This can be detected with the help of flame. Any flame you take it near to this beaker, then it gives cracking sound. Okay, why? Because hydrogen gas is flammable gas. So cracking sound is produced. Okay, thank you. Okay students, we perform second activity, that is activity 2.5, the reaction of acid with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. So what is the difference between metal carbonate? Metal carbonate means, first example is Na2CO3, magnesium carbonate, the calcium carbonate. These are the metal carbonate. And when if it is NaSCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, then it is known as metal hydrogen carbonate. Therefore, it is also known as bicarbonate. So this carbonate when react with HCl or acid, any acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid or sulfuric acid, use salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. So bubbling of carbon dioxide gas is produced. If bubble takes place, then carbonate is present. Similarly, bicarbonate when treated with acid, it is converted to NaCl, salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. If carbon dioxide gas is evolved, okay, then it is fire extinguished. So when carbon dioxide gas is evolved, flame of fire will disappear. Okay, we check it by practice. Second, that carbon dioxide gas also we can check chemically by adding lime water. In lime water, if you pass carbon dioxide gas, then white precipitates of calcium carbonate is obtained. That is, lime water turns milky. Okay, white precipitate plus water. If you pass in this calcium carbonate, milky white precipitate, again you pass more amount of carbon dioxide, then that white color precipitate will dissolve. Why? Because it is converted into calcium bicarbonate. Okay, calcium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate. So first lime water milky, and that milkiness will be disappear if you add excess of carbon dioxide, which convert carbonate, okay, calcium carbonate to calcium bicarbonate. Now we will check this CO2 gas how it is evolved. So one by one we will check by adding sodium carbonate to acid. Okay, in one test tube I am taking sodium carbonate. So first I am taking sodium carbonate. In that I am adding acid. Slowly I am adding hydrochloric acid in it. You can see effervescence will take place. Like first I have added 1 or 2 drops. You can see acid is produced. When it is added salt and carbon dioxide, you can see. Okay. Again that carbon dioxide gas which is produced is fire extinguished. So we will check with the help of fire. I am putting the matchsticks here and check that carbon dioxide gas is produced only. So I am adding this acid. Again I take sample calcium carbonate. So again calcium carbonate. plus acid and check with the help of matchstick. Check the flame. So on this, okay, if you check the flame, that CO2 gas evolved flame will disappear. On the spot you have to check. Similarly, I am taking this bicarbonate. In bicarbonate, I add HCl. So again it gives effervescence of CO2 gas is produced. Okay, effervescence of CO2 gas is produced. This suggests that sodium carbonate react with HCl, it gives CO2 plus salt plus water, and bicarbonate also it gives CO2, salt and water. So this is the test. So we can produce carbon dioxide by adding acid to carbonate or bicarbonate. Okay. Thank you.